Hey, Crafty Tae fans. Hey, we're about to get ready to do a prank on Crafty Tae while she's showing you the DIY scrunchies. So, hey, we about to get ready to go in there. Hey, tell them about the prank, what we about to do.
So we have this candy, but what it really does is it turns your whole mouth blue in your teeth. So we're gonna give her one and hopefully it does its thing. So just act like, oh, I had this new candy to try.
Oh my gosh, this is funny. Hey, y'all gonna watch her mouth turn blue as she's making these scrunchies. All right, here we go. All right, here we go, y'all.
Crafty Tae. Crafty Tae. I'm Crafty Tae. Anyway, I know you, you know me. Hey, I love you, you love me. We're together all day. I'm Crafty Tae. Anyway, I know you, you know me. Hey, I love you, you love me. We're together all day. Welcome back to Crafty Tae. Today we are going to be making homemade scrunchies. I have three special guests, Takaya, Sophia, and Savannah. So let's get started. So the supplies we're going to be needing is a pair of scissors, a hard cup, a ponytail, a hot glue gun with an extra glue stick, and then some fabric. So the fabric I am going to be using is the Hawaii, and then Savannah's going to be using the hot dog, Sophia's going to be using the dessert, and then Takai's going to be using the turtle one. So this is my first time making homemade scrunchies. So Sophia is going to show us how to make it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is cut the fabric, and it doesn't matter how much, like what the width of it is, but however big you want it, that's how wide you cut it. So what we're going to do is we are going to measure out the cup, and it's going to be about this thick, and then we're going to cut it where it goes at. Okay, so now that we cut it, we're going to turn it inside out and match it up. Grab our hair tie and then wrap it around. Okay, so now everyone is going to repeat that step. So let's get started. Is very thinly folded on the top and bottom. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is adding a very small layer of glue right on the edge of where we folded it. And then we're going to glue this onto it. Put the glue right. Then I have to fold it up a little bit and just stick it to it. Ah, I just burned myself. I did it so wrong. Okay, now do it again. We're gonna. I am just doing what I gotta do, just putting, like she said, a little bit of glue. Then just put it on there. Just hold on. How you guys doing? Good. Good. So far. You need some help, Dan? Yeah, I'll glue some. Let's see. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is glue these two pieces together where it was at the end so it does not come undone. it. Oh my gosh. Can we redo that? Oh, that hurts. Okay, that's better. You burned yourself. Okay. I burned myself a lot. Oh. Okay. I think hers is coming out. Is this good? So there's another step. We're gonna give Crafty Tae some candy. What? Come on, Sophia. No, we're giving it candy. Some candy. Thank you. Try it. So I can't get it open. There's some scissors too. Okay. Is it sour? Tastes good? We just wanted to give it to you for helping us out. Something. Okay. Okay, now can you help me? Okay. Wait, I think I'm supposed to go like this. Yeah, I need to cut this a little bit though. So guys, I kind of got this big piece, so. We can also add little wrinkles in it to make it look more like a scrunchie. We'll just like keep having. This is good. What's it taste like? Blueberry or something? What? It's like, You see your tongue. I feel like they're pranking me. How are we pranking you? We gave you something. Is this your face? You're making loud noises. I'm almost done. I'm doing good. I got this little bitty left. Left. One more time. Okay. Gotta make sure it's right. Is mine good? Hold on, I'm gonna trace it for it to make it like. Yeah, and this right here. Gotta fix this. Okay. I'm gonna tell you guys something. You guys should try this too. It's really fun and it's a good DIY. If you have a friend over, you can do it with your friend too. It might be like a BFF crunchy. Oh yeah, you can put like, you can add this, or you could add other things to it, like jewels and like diamonds or something. Okay. But maybe like not with this kind of fabric, but it already has designs on it. Like it wouldn't be like that. So maybe like when it's like you can get a t-shirt or something with a plain t-shirt, then you can make it and stuff. I think that would be good. I'm gonna scrunch it together. Oh guys, mine is coming out really good. You still gotta finish yours. Oh, forgot about Rand. Let's do Rand now. Okay. There's a bird. How did this happen? A lot of work. And if you're like little like her, you should have a parent to help you. Okay, I'm gonna finish up my one. Should I take mine off now? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna take mine off, guys. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Oh! Nice. Look at mine. Not yet. It's not done yet. Look at mine. I'm gonna just start going on if she has like a little bit left, and then I'll finish mine up. Then I'll finish hers up. Then I'll be done. And her will be done. And then can you do this last part? I'll do that. Oopsie. Now I'm put it up. Wait, let me. Okay, this is cute though. Yes, ponytail. This looks pretty stretchable a little bit. So guys, I think I'm almost done. I just gotta get this part right there and then I'm done. Guys, look it. Hers is pretty, but she's done because she already had that side and then she just needs that and then she'll be done. This one. And scrunchies are not just for your hair. You can do it as a bracelet because it looks cute as a bracelet. And sometimes ponytail doesn't really look cute with it, but when it's on your wrist, it looks really good. And also, a lot of girls wear scrunchies on their wrists, and they're called visco girls. They wear a bunch of like shell necklaces, scrunchies, a bunch of different bracelets, and they like wear this certain kind of outfits, and yeah, they're called visco girls. And there's actually an app called Visco, and it's a bunch of different filters, and they're very aesthetic, and yeah. And also, like, you can have like a little party too. Like me and her are gonna do a little party after, just make a little tin with little knives. We're gonna make bracelets, and she's gonna make me one of those. So I think she's almost done. I just gotta get these together or something, but almost done. Okay, guys, I'm all done. Just get all the glue strips off. See all those just like sticking up? You want to get those off before like you get them to my friend. I gotta close that up, okay? Put a little bit more glue. Now I'm gonna just get all the strips off until okay. And yeah. So we're going to I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put it on real quick. This is nice. So everyone's gonna show you guys the scrunchie. So this is mine. Very nice, I like it. And this is mine. It's here. And this is mine. And this is mine. Save the turtles. And I'll say, guys, this was so much fun. Thank you, Sophia. You're welcome. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Bye. And also, guys, this was a big fail. Very fail. It's fun. The candy was supposed to turn your mouth really blue in your teeth. Show us your tongue. It's blue, but her teeth aren't blue.